Greetings, Panther family. I am Tia Simmons, the Executive Principal at Duncanville High School. Thank you for joining us for this week's 60 Seconds with Simmons. This week we have 5 points of information for you. First, we'd like to ask you to join us in celebrating our boys basketball team. Our Panthers have advanced to round 4 in the state playoffs. They will be playing Trinity this Friday, March 1st at 6 o'clock at Wilkerson Grimes. Our second point of information is that this Saturday, March 2nd, we have our end of course boot camp. Please ensure that your scholar is present this Saturday for English and Social Studies boot camps. We will have food for all of our scholars present. Our third point of information is that on Monday, March 4th, is the deadline for AP registration. Your scholars have been registering for their AP exams. Please be reminded that the tests are $94. You only have to pay $20. We are paying the other $74 for each of your scholars' exams. Please be certain that they have registered for each of their AP exams for the corresponding courses they are currently enrolled in. Our next point of information is that Tuesday, March the 5th, is our FAFSA workshop. We have already been awarded over $1 million in financial aid for the class of 2019. We are striving to hit the $2 million mark. Please ensure that you have completed that FAFSA information. Our final point of information is that Thursday, March the 7th, is our open house. Please plan to join us and meet your scholars' teachers and see the work that they have been doing thus far in the semester. We will also host another financial aid night on that same evening while we have all of our families here. As always, we appreciate your support and partnership. And remember, it's a great day to be a Panther.